Yeah. Got some heavy hitters, man, on the last Zoom I was on. It was a Dyna Pro group. So
Okay. Well,
yeah.
I still think I'm I took out that service, that $79.99.
Well,
I
how would
never
that work
really
for you?
set it up on my computer, but
Oh, yeah,
if
hit me
they
up. I can show you how
yeah.
to do that. It's not hard.
Oh, okay,
Um,
okay. And
but
unless I'm required to what you call register every month, I think they
yeah,
automatically been taking it out of my account.
I think you
So
gotta send the indicator. You gotta send the information to Matt. Matt is the person that can hook you up with because they need to know your trading view ID. You know what I'm
info,
saying?
okay.
Info, yeah. So when you go into the trading view info, then they can send that information to you because that's how they do it.
I see. I got you.
Yeah, but the indicators, man, are cool, man, because they have a lot of good features, man. I mean, it does get pretty. I mean, I won't say it gets colorful, but like some of them trades that I got, man, they were on spot, man. Like if I go back and look at support and resistance zones, even when you do the old cross method, it's like the buy and sell signals come in right at the support and resistance lines, man, and the higher highs and lower lows, and it's like it's game time over, man. It's wild, man. It's pretty good.
Hey, man. Well, if my thing is if it pays for itself,
It
it really
does.
is paying
It
you.
does. Yeah. It does. Yeah. If you just trade it right, if you use it right, trade it right, it just takes
right.
it takes one or two good trades to get it. Then once you get it, then it's all good. You just gotta get the
Right.
right trade. You know what I'm
I
saying? So
got you.
it's a combination of everything, really.
Okay.
But tonight I'm gonna be looking for setups because last time we were discussing a lot of good things, but sometimes when you do that, you miss the trades.
You miss it.
So
Yeah.
I've been on calls with you and Kiki and a few other people.
Exactly. And it's happened to us
And
before, like you
right,
said.
yeah. So
So I'm gonna just
I'll
sit back and listen.
right. Well, I mean, not even that. I'm gonna let some people talk, but I'm just gonna basically look for setups because like that's what they want to see. Instead
For
of
real.
somebody yapping. You're
For
not
real.
yapping all the time. They don't want to
Right.
hear all that crap.
Right. Yeah. They want to make some money.
Right, make some money, right? They're like, well, I'm getting off
Exactly.
this Zoom because these motherfuckers just talking all day.
Right.
So I'm
Right.
gonna shut up.
Right. Well, me
Look for
too.
setups, right? Exactly. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
it. That's it. You got
Yeah.
to get the people what they want.
You gotta get
Yeah.
food what they want, right? Exactly.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay. All right, John Noon.
All right, man. I'm gonna just I think I'm gonna look at GJ and try to see if I can
GJ.
find look for some setups, man.
Hey, yeah, man. Because I just completed a phase 2 as my forex funds, and
Oh yeah,
GJ was a
okay,
big part of that as well as
okay,
GA.
okay.
Yeah,
Congrats.
yeah.
How much money you got to go to get it funded?
I got funded for 10 grand.
Oh, nice. Oh, there you go.
But
See,
the phase two, I did that in less than 24 hours. So I got to
nice.
wait 4 more days. Because each
Right.
phase you have to, it's required that you do at least 5
Yeah,
days of training.
that's all good.
So
I normally just trade and then I'll just like do 0.01 just to
exactly,
keep the days going. You know what I'm saying? Or something basic, man. Even if
exactly,
yeah, it's basic. Just to please them. That's what you gotta do. I hate that though.
right, exactly, yeah.
Yeah, but it's all
Because
good.
once you get it, you should be good with it.
Oh
But they feel
yeah, of
like
course,
you got lucky.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, right. Yeah, you got lucky. No, you got skills.
yeah, there you go.
It
And
is it
plus,
ain't
yeah,
it ain't looking skills.
so yeah. Yep.
Yeah, skills.
Okay, Jay.
All right, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see what we got here. I said 9:15, but I was gonna do 9:30, but let's look for some setups in this market, man. Let's see what we can find, man. Let's see what we can find. See, look at this. I missed this setup right now. See, look at this setup right here. Setup right there. See, boom, right there. So this is my remember my man, my brother, the brother.
Yeah.
The brother's on the train. He's on the train right there. See? Oh wait a moment. Hold on. Trading view be bugging. Hold on. I think my yeah, there we go. I hate
Yeah, we
trading view
did miss
sometimes,
that,
man.
man. What time frame was that? Was that 5
This is
minutes?
5 minutes. Yeah. So this was 8:45. So that's my man. He got there. So let's see what all the other. This is a 5 minute time frame. So he missed that one. Here's a support. This doing support and resistance. There goes the Actually, I'm on another trade for GJ to sell, but on another time frame. Yeah, this stuff gets me addictive, man. You got to be like a nerd for this crap, man. Look at it. These are all the different zones. So my man would have been on the bus right here. Boom. Right. And this is using no indicators. No indicators at all. It's naked trading. He's gonna been right here. Boom. Look at this price action, man. Look at this long stem. It's an exhaustion candle. This is all the stuff that I use along with the indicators. And the indicators are just the sauce on the pizza. That's just the the meat. What's that?
That's it.
Not the meat.
The toppings.
The toppings, the pepperoni and all that stuff, right?
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey.
So this is where the man's going to get on the bus. These are entry points right here on this time frame right here. Exactly. With no indicators. This is the straight market structure price action, right? You hear that bell in the background? That's MT4 going off. So I'm going to get rid of that, man, because it could be a pain. Oh, I got to show you this other indicator I found on MT4, dog. Ooh, hot fire. I'll show you later, but I say, who's this dude here? This guy here. See, look at this. This is a double top right here. This is double top right here on a 5-minute time frame. Remember the oh, they don't know about that though. The 415 double top on the 4-hour time frame. It's a double top on the 15. I don't think that's a double top here, but let's just do 5-minute time frame right now. So that's double top right there. So this has been an entry right here. So I would have put an arrow. I'm gonna put a shield around him so he can be protected from the market makers. Boom, like that. This is entries right here. Strictly entries right here. This is double bottom right here. Double top up here. But watch when you put those indicators on there, man. I guarantee you, I guarantee you that when you get the indicators, you're gonna get a higher high, higher low. There's gonna be a sell signal on one of these or buy signal. I guarantee you that. Watch. That's when you know you got your charts on fire, because when you throw the pro concepts and the pro waves on there, you see this little thing down here. This is like a fresh funky fresh RSI type thing where you get the blue waves here, but you can see where it came in. See where it hit here, came down, and the blue kind of went up and came this way and all the way up. And you can see where it turns right here. It turned right there. See that? So it turns down there from this red, from this resistance down here. That was one of the developers in the group, but he's dope too. So yeah, so look, these are entries you would have got in the trade. You could have gotten this trade, rode all the way up, boom, got out here, got in here, rode all the way down, got out here. That's TP. That's from here to here. That's TP. TP1 probably would have been here somewhere of resistance with the noises, because you would have never known what these are over here. So you'd have to go over here, go back. You could have got this line right here. See, here's a little line right there. You could have put it right there if you wanted to, because you would never have known that. And then when the price started to form, then you would adjust it over here because you'd seen it, but you would have been in that zone right there. So, but look, if you save this, you lock this, save this, and well, let's see. I bet you there's going to be indicators. I'm gonna just put one of the indicators on it. The pro concepts is dope. So look at that. See that? You get the higher highs right there, and you get the lower lows right where the man is. Look at that. Can't beat that, right? Look at that. How dope is that? That's the algorithm working its wonders. Look at that. That's dope, right? I mean, I can't make this up. All right, I'm gonna go back and do the pro concepts is one of the indicators from the Data Pro family, but the Data Pro Discord group. Excuse me. So here we go. This is naked trading, and a man's right there. A man got 5 positions right there, right? So he ate this. How many pips is this? He ate right here. He got in here. He caught the train right here. How many pips you got on a 5-minute time frame? You can't. That's 85 pips. You can't squeeze that, right? Then he got 85 pips the other way. So it's 100. What's 170? 85 times 2, 160. I think math is off. And then he went from here. Then he got halfway, right? So that's halfway. 84, 42, right? Down to here, 1, 2. Then he came down to this level right here. Boom. That was the resistance. That's a clean resistance right there. So look at that. It gets, this is noise here, noise in the market, but this right here is clean. That's a nice little stem. Even if you're just trading this is scalping. If you just do 20 pip and dip, like you get 20 pips. If you can get 20 pips consistently for 1 month, you're the bomb. I mean, how many pips is this from there to there? That's what 30 pips. You can't sneak at that. You're just trying to grow your account. So all these positions would have been, this is from when, what is this? Let's go put a line here real quick. So I can just kind of show you what's going on. Man would have gotten a trade right here on June 30th, right? I'm sorry, June 30th at 8 o'clock in the morning, right? And he'd have rode that thing all the way up to what? 10 o'clock? That's 2-hour trade, right? That's an intraday. That's an intraday scalp, but it's still 2 hours. So you held that trade for 2 hours, and you would have got out. Man would have got out, waited for the reverse. He would get the reverse right here, and then he jumped back in, right at 10 o'clock, because he's riding it back down all the way down to 11 o'clock. So in 3 hours, he got what? 85 times 2, 160, right? And he put it all the way back down. So he got 3 good trades on one day. That's 3 wins on one day. You can't beat that, right? And then he probably going to lunch, do stuff with his family, whatever. And then he come back in the afternoon. So I'm gonna, end of the day doing this here. So he got that trade going down, and then he got this trade. He probably would take this trade here up to here, maybe would have got out, because you see reverse and here, hit some resistance up there, right? They probably would have gotten out. Of that line up there. And that's still a nice little trade. How many pips is that? From here to there, it would have been like what? If you got in the stem right here, 20 pips, you're still good. If you have a trading plan of 20 pips every day, you'd have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades right now. You'd have lost some in here if you would have tried to get in the choppiness of this market, but you're looking for the resistance levels. Those are the key levels. You could have got in here, but that's too risky. You got to look for the better trades. And then you're like, well, I need some assistance. All right, well, you just throw this pro concepts on there, and boom, look at that. You can't make that stuff up. So I got a higher high here. You can clearly see that that's a reversal. This is where the man is right there. That's higher high right there. There's a lower low where the man is right there. And then you got the man right here, right? Lower low right there. I can bring the man down a little bit. See the man right there. The man right there, right? So even if you just use, even if you didn't have the indicator and you knew how to draw higher highs and lower lows, then you'd have known that this would have been an entry point. This basic one-on-one Forex. And then the man's over here, right? And then the man's over here. So where's our next setup for a trade? Right here. I would wait till price gets right here. If price gets right here, boom, right? And it plays along this support level, then I'm getting in. I guarantee you that when this comes down to here, you'll get a lower low down here somewhere. And then you throw some other indicators in there. We have called a side, which is pretty nice. See, it shows other. So you see the self signals coming in there. Gets colorful, but then this other one called Parago is kind of nice too. You see that? So there's something called the what I call the midline. To me, it's like a powerful 50 EMA. But you can see if I just take off the other indicators, and you see how price respects this EMA. And to me, this is like an EMA on steroids, because it's super dope. And you can see where the buy signals. You got a buy signal right there, right next to the man. How many is this? One. This came back on the retest, right? Because it came up, it came back down, and it created that other level right there. And then buy signals right here somewhere. You took it up. You got self signal right here. So self signals come in like right around where there's a strong bullish or bearish action. You got a buy signal right here. This one here I probably wouldn't have taken unless it came down here. It triggered here. So sometimes you'll get signals that you have to be cautious of, because you're not going to take every buy signal. You're just not going to do that. I don't take every buy signal. I take the best setups. So that's how I'll trade this. So now let's look at where we are now. It's breaking the midline, right? Somebody got a thing there. Let's see. Oh, somebody says hello. So it's breaking the midline right here, right? So where could I get into a trade here? Would I take this trade here? If it closes below this midline, look at this right here. This is a bearish engulfing. It's a small one, right? If this closes, how many minutes you got? 50 seconds. So this closes here. Would I jump into a trade? Well, it's in between two support and resistance lines. So in the middle of nowhere. So me personally, no. If I didn't catch this trade here, I'm not getting in, because now I'm getting in. I'm chasing the trade. I'm chasing the train. So I would wait till it comes down here. That's why I wait. I would wait for it to come down here. And then once it comes down here, then if it doesn't break, what's that, 165.07, you can come in here and make this 165, like the quarter point theory. You can make it just a whole number, 165. So you got to worry about the other decimal point. So now you're here. So you see how this is even better on this is support. Look at all the support here. So when it came here, it bounced off, right? Bounced off. So you can see that here, even though it's chopping here, but the better ones is here. So once you get the good setup, then you can go from there. You can see you got a stop loss right there. So stop loss is calculated in the indicator, but you know, you can do what, a 20 pip stop loss. So if you would have got in this trade at 165, 329, your stop loss, you can use this function here on TradingView. It's a short, right? So you can put where's the entry levels right here, right? Right there, right? So you're trying to take it down to here, right? Down to this level. That's the support level. That's 165. It should take profit. And look at the ratio. It's 195. So you want a 3 to 1. So you make your stop loss somewhere up in here somewhere. That's a 6 to let's make a 7 to 1 ratio, right? That's 9 to 1. Look at that. If you got this trade right here at 165, or if you entered right here, let's say you entered this for example right here, you entered at right there when that red candle opened up at 165, 295, you're looking at a 9 to 1 ratio. And you're already halfway there, right? So you would have moved your stop loss and the profit like this. Well, actually, you'd probably bring it down. You probably would have done this. Move the stop loss and the profit. That's moving. That's trail stop. That's what I call trail stop is. You got in what time at 165 here, and the stop loss is there. It's 9 to 1, I believe, right? Like
Yeah,
this.
because you're protecting your profits.
Right. So trail stop is when I jump in here and you see where the trade is down here. So I move my stop loss and the profit down here. It depends on what you want to do, you know, maybe here somewhere. And you might get stopped out, but you got this profit here. So you're trying to protect your profits. That's where you're looking at. You're looking at moving your stop loss. Actually, this is probably down here, but moving stop loss and the profit. That's just trail stop. That's trail stop. That's under basic 101. But these would have been the entries I would have taken. I would have taken this entry right here. This entry right here I would have taken. Anybody know why? I would have jumped in right here. Anybody know why?
That's because that could be an order block.
Yeah, it could be, right. It is an order block. It's on the 5-minute order block, right? You can see
Yeah.
that. From there.
Yep. That's
If you was to
pretty
throw,
easy.
yeah, if you throw the indicators on there, you'll see how they line up. See that? Is it right there? That one, that one there. No, that was, it was this one here, wasn't it? Nope. It was the might have been a 5. Let's see this one here, right? Yeah, there. See that? Everybody see that? See
No,
how
I think you. Yeah.
pro concepts. That's making this order block right here. This little area right there. A strong. This right here is a strong support zone right here. That's
Yeah.
all day, every day. Strong support zone. The price told me that, right? Support zone. So, you know, I can do that. Put it right here. So if I draw this gap, let's say if I draw the gap, I'm gonna draw it right here. Watch, I'm gonna draw like this. My little zone here, right? So I manually drew that based on the indicator. So I'm gonna take off the indicators and see where that zone is coming from, right? So let's take a look and see where that zone's coming from. So now I'm naked again, right? I got nothing on here. Take this off too. So where's that zone coming from? That zone's coming from this long candle here. Everybody see that? See that zone right here? Actually, let me take off. There's another indicator live here, right? This one here. Take it off a second. All right. So where did this gap come from? I drew this gap based on this, right? See that? Everybody see that? It came
Yeah.
from this long stem right here. Came from these two dudes hanging over here, right? Where else? It's not as tight, right? But it's like right about in there, up here, right? It's close to that zone right here where this candle hit down here. So you might as well just take it all the way down to here. So that's a big zone right there. So if price hits this zone, you know it's going up. And you can clearly see it hit here, it hit to the bottom of the zone. So if you are trading and you was up here and you're coming down here and it came way down here, you can put a buy pending limit either in the middle or on the top of the zone and your buy limit will take off. This would have been a nice little buy. It's a scalp. Some people don't want to, some people just want to get 10 pips. How many pips is this? That's 25 pips right there. That's 30 pips right there. So you can get pips on GJ all day, every day, specifically at 3 o'clock in the morning. GJ moves at 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't know if anyone knew that in New York, but it moves at 3 a.m. in the morning every day. We could pick any day on this chart. Let's go. I like to go naked again, move everything, and let's go to 3 o'clock. Let's go to 4 time frame, see how this is either bearish or bullish. What is this? The trend's your friend. So me personally, I don't trade against the trend. I just don't. I mean, I don't speak to everybody else, but I don't trade against the trend. So I look to see what the highest time frame is saying. What is it saying? So where are we at here on a high time frame? It's daily. You can go to the weekly. daily and get more information on the daily time frame. So this is with nothing. And you see that it was bullish. So here is what I call rejection areas. It's simple. You can look for clean rejection areas, not noise, clean. So here's a clean one right here, right? Boom, on top. That's a double top right there. An
Yep.
automatic double top right here. So one double top right there, boom, one. And he gonna get in here. So he got two entries right there, boom. So me, my man Mike turned me on to 415. 415 is wait a minute, this is the daily. My bad. Hold on. It should be a double top up here too, right? Kinda. Let me see. Is a double top on the yeah, you're right. It is, right? Because the daily if you
Yeah.
got a double top on the daily. All right, so hit the 4 hour time frame, right? And if you get a excuse me, a double top on the 4, you're gonna get it on the 15. Let's see. So I'm looking for my man. You'll see my man posted up twice up there. He's posted right there. One, right? Would have been entry. And can I get another one? Can I get another one? Can I get another one? Might be too far apart. Let's see. You see it up there. He gonna be on that line right there, right? Boom. There you go. That's trade view won't let me go too far. Let me go to the 30-minute time frame so you can see. Look at that. Boom. So I got a double top on the 30. I got a double top came from the daily, right? Came from the 4. So daily 4. Clearly see on the 4 time frames a double top. So if you get a double top formation, most likely you're gonna get a double top on the 15-minute time frame. On the 30, actually, if you go down to 30. And then you can find your entry right there, boom. You get in right here. How easy is that? You wait to come up here because of resistance. So here's a little zone here, right? I could throw a little zone in there right there, a little boom like that. All right. So does that zone legit? Well, the indicator's gonna come in and say, hell yeah, watch this. Boom. See that? It already gave me sell signals up here. Look at that. You see that sell signal up there? Sell, look at that. So that's
Yep.
the 5. Take that off. Let's do the pro concepts. Boom. A higher high. It's cluttered with the higher highs and higher lows, but you can see that they're all falling up. Look at that. Came down here, boom. And there's a little zone right here. This zone came right there. So let me take the pro concepts off and I'm gonna draw in the zone, right? I'm manually doing this. Boom, right here, right? Because that's the low right there. And my man's gonna get in there. You clearly see my man would enter right here, right? That's clear. So I'm gonna come in here and draw a low zone, right? And watch. Little zone's there, right? I'm gonna save this guy. And then what happens? I'm gonna come in and bring in the pro concepts. Pro concepts. And watch, they're gonna see a zone right there. Boom. Look at that. You can't make this up. Look at that. It's right there, right there. Then you want some extra flavor? Then pro go on there. Look at that. Look at that right there. It's in the upper red band right here. So it's coming out. You got sell signals. So now if I just open this up a little bit, you can see that the indicators are in tune to what I'm doing. Look at that. You got a sell signal right up there where your man is, right? It's a little one, but it's a sell signal. You can see that, right? Little
You
sell
could
signal right there.
you could also tell that it's consolidating from the highs and the lows. It's swinging. And you can actually see the downtrend too. If you look at the Bollinger Bands, you see it goes up and down, up and down. That's pretty nice.
That's 171 pips, right? That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, I think 30-minute time frame. So if I go to the 4 hour time frame, it's all the same thing. Look at this. Okay, look at that. A sell signal came there, higher high. With the pro algo, it's in the red band, reversion band, I believe. So it's high up here. And Matt always told us when it gets up here, you're looking for sells. It may play around here, but you got a sell right here. Look at that. You got a sell signal right here where your man's at, right? And that's the one. That's the first double top. What was the other one? That was the one here, I think. Boom! Look at that. Look at this. If you clearly did not know how to trade, the algo would have been like, hey man, look, I got a sell signal and again, liquidity candle. These are liquidity candles, these little yellow candles here. You can see that? Liquidity candle, look at that. It's right where we said this was going to be at. If I take off the indicator, remember, take off the indicator, boom, right? Take this off. What do you have? Oh, that's not the one I want, not want that one. I want this one here. All right, so look at that. So this is naked. This is with me just doing price action. And look at the pro waves, the blue line right here. Look where it came up, the blue line right here, this little blue line right here. And you got the little red flip bar, all red. So once this is the sell signal right here, right in here, it comes down here, just like an RSI, come up here. It's way overbought, it's rolled down here. So if you put in the size, right, boom, that's a nice indicator right there. But look at that. And then boom, look at that.
Yeah, the pips you be gaining on that swing trade is crazy.
Yeah, so I would have got in here. I would have got in right here. Look, before I do this, let me just show one thing I just want to show. Because somebody was asking me, how do I know when something going to reverse? Look at the resistance here. So I call these resistance candles because it hit here, right? In resistance, boom. So it couldn't do anything. That's one, right? Resistance candle number 2, right? Look at the little doji here. It's indecision up here. So that's 3, right? Let me put 3. So I got candles up here. Resist is rejecting. This level is 168,623. So it's rejecting of that level. You clearly see that. There's 4 candles. So 5 a.m. in the morning rejected. It rejected at 9. That's New York, right? It rejected at 1. It rejected at 5 in the PM. That's the new day, right? And at 9 o'clock, it said we're coming back. And then what happened? This upside down hammer. This is upside down hammer right here. This is bearish candle action all day, every day. This right here, this candle right here is bearish action. What happened? It came back and retested the zone. So it's like, we're not done yet. And then it dropped from the sky. See that? And watch, you got a sell signal right there. So if I put everybody on here, all the indicators, you see that you can't lose if you follow the rules. Look at this here. This is another indicator, but look at this. Look how beautiful it is. I think I got all of them on here. Look how beautiful that is. That would help you trade. How many different confluences you have on here? And on top of that, if you knew a trend line, you could draw a trend line from here up, right? And then you could have waited till it broke, right? It could have broke this here. If you were still not sure, look what happens when it broke the midline. This is still a little, it's not a bad trade, but I mean, you're still too late in the game. But if you're still trying to, be careful, you still could have got what? This is for a time frame now. Remember, it's not 15, it's bigger time frame, so the moves are bigger. See, that's 200 pip move right here.
Wow.
That's a huge, because it's for a time frame. It's not 15. These are big moves. So if you come here, you got in this area right here, took it all the way down to this low and into the midline. You're at 659 pips. I believe that's what it is, yeah, because it's a higher time frame. So
AJ,
that's one. Ooh, that's nice.
With your paid class, are we going to have access to information that explains all these indicators and how to use them?
Yeah, that's what the whole thing is. That's the whole community. I mean, once you get the DynaPro package, man, you get all this stuff, man. Everything's included, man. All the information and the group, the chats are, they talk about the various things, a lot of stuff, man, a lot of information. The little thing I'm doing is just to add more soft to it. It's really to help everyone understand, because I mean, there's so many different levels of traders here, so you don't want to like lose somebody. Somebody could be, well, they're really advanced on their, they're this way. So you got to have a room for each person, because I came from a place of mad confusion. Like I was telling my man the other day, I mean, I quit 2 or 3 times, man. I quit for like 4 months because I was tired. I was frustrated. I was tired of losing. I said, I can't win. I felt dumb. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, damn, I can't win. Every time I get in a trade, it goes the other way. Why is it going the other way? There's got to be a reason why.
Yeah, everybody went through that in the first couple of years.
That's true.
Yeah. So I just like, it's time for me to give back. So this is kind of why I'm doing this. Right here, another nice entry right here. The man could have been right in here. It closed above the midline, right? It retested and went up. You get this little EMA cloud, right? Going up. Can't beat that. Got a buy signal here. You got 1 buy, 1 buy, 2 buy, and you got a brick of structure. Brick of structure is beautiful too, right here. Brick of structure means that this structure has been broken by this candle here. And there's a little green line right there. Look at that. This little green line right here, little green triangle right here. This candle broke. That's what I'm calling them, Mike. We said the FU candles, the bank candles.
Right.
right? Or the stop hunt, you know. But this is a beautiful trade. You could have got in here, so man could have rode the bus here, and here's another stop right there. Boom. Where's another stop? Another stop is, I mean, anywhere in here. Another here, it'll hit the higher lows. Boom, right here, right? Or you could have rolled all the way up. This, how many days is this? This is what from. This is from May 30th. Look at that, May 30th, all the way to June 8th. That's a swing trade all day. All you need to do is just monitor it and move the stop loss up, and you in the ball game, man. You got two breaker, and you got another one here. Look, another breaker structure here. So you got a breaker structure here, and another one here. So you could have waited to, and you could have got on pullbacks. You can always get in on the pullback. So if price come up here, it pull back, entry. I can price come up here, pull back, entry. Price come up here, pull back, entry. It's the same process all day, every day, right? And then you get the resistor candles. So my thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, come back up, boom, 5. And then you get this long stem here. And I think I was telling someone else that the long exhaustion stem, this is an exhaustion stem. This tells you this is confirmation of reverse. This is confirmation. How do we know price is going to reverse? No one knows that. You can't
The
tell that.
wicks, the selling wicks.
Right. Confirmation of sell, of reverse. Right. So you see this long, there's candles in here. I got an upside down hammer right there. And I got this long exhaustion wick.
Yep.
That's a confirmation. And then plus you deep in the red band here. So, you know, but you have 1, 2, 3. It could have went the other way, but it didn't, because it ran out of steam. You get these small candles. So that would have been interesting. So let's go back and look to see if we can find something like right now. Look at this, it's selling right now, right? This candle just opened up, right? So if I was to go down to 15-minute time frame, let's see, can I find something right now? All right, well, look at this. It's starting to do something, like a little sell signal right here, see? That's what I was telling you about earlier. This is 9:30, right? So this is 9 o'clock, 9:15, 9:30. So you could get in a sell right now. Is it too late to get in the sell? It would have been nice if you was here, right here, but you got a sell signal right here, an indicator right there, boom, at 9:15. That's only, what, 20 minutes ago? So technically you could get in this trade. Technically you could. It'd be like a quick scalp, like a 5-second scalp, you know, something like that. How many pips is that? From here to here, you're already up 20 pips. Look at that, see? So you getting a trade right here? Who would jump into a trade right now? You got all this stuff happening. Anyone would get in this trade, or would they wait till they come down here to higher lows? Remember, this is a 5-minute, this is a 15-minute time frame, so you gotta be careful. You know, you be careful. You're just scalping. You know, do you wait for the better setup? I
John,
wouldn't
you
get in this
say
trade right now.
you would take a sell right there, or you're
I would
buying off that low?
scalp that. I would scalp this because you have some sell pressure here until it gets down here, but you're kind of in the mid. You're kind of in the no man's land. But again, what's the overall sentiment of GJ? What's the overall
Down.
sentiment? Down right now, right? So
Yep.
if I try to take a buy, I'm trading against the trend. You see, that's why I would feel confident in taking a sell here.
Gotcha.
In fact, I'm going to do it right now. So if I get burned, I'm okay with that. That's the beautiful thing about this. I'm not telling anyone to take this trade. I'm not telling anyone to do X, Y, and Z. I'm just doing it myself, like right now.
I would definitely, me personally, I would take that because
I'm taking
you
it
can
right
see this.
now.
Yeah.
I'm about to take it right now. So like I was saying, I
Go
have
ahead,
another
do
sell
your
I'm doing
thing.
now. Yeah, I'm about to do it right now. So my thing is, you have to take it on your own recognizance, but I'm gonna jump in for a sell right now on this GJ and see what I can do. So because I gave the analysis. Okay, so I jumped in and I'm negative because you got to play with when you jump in the trade, you don't go positive all the way. You have to deal with the spreads and the Berkle fees and all other crap. So
Yeah.
I'm in a trade right now for GJ. Right now, I just entered the trade right now. So you could follow it, fine. If not, I'm not giving no signals. I'm not saying where I got in. I can tell you right now where I got in at. I got in at 164. Let me see. I got in at 164.
7:30.
What's that? 164.
No, you
My
just
price.
you just You just had a fair value gap too.
So that's where I got in at. This is my entry right here. Okay. Now I got a little blue, I got a little green line coming in, so I might be getting jacked.
Where would you put your stop loss?
I will put 20 pips above. So this is where I got in at, right? And this might be a loss, and I'm okay with that. Say I'm okay. I'm gonna do what? Let me see. Hold on. I'm gonna do 20 pips. 20 pips right here. So from here, 20 pips is where? Right near the midline, somewhere in the midline. I'll put it right there, right? So I'm gonna put a stop loss right here in yellow, right there, someplace up here somewhere. Where am I here? That. Let me make that a little bit thicker. Stop loss right there, 155, 254. So I'm gonna put that in my MetaTrader 4. All right, so 155.
And your TP would be 20 pips below your entry.
Well, it could be, but you know, I like to trade.
Like,
I like to just let it ride, right? So
Let it ride. Yeah.
so my stop. Hold on. My entry is 154, 954. You got that right there. That line right there, right with a line right there. The stop loss is 165, 240. How many pips is that? Let's see. Let me get rid of this. How many pips is that?
I think we're breaking down, bro.
Yes.
So here,
I
I
think-
got in here, right? So I got
Yeah.
26 pip stop loss. So when am I taking this to? This level right here. See this level right here? This is a buy zone level. See that right there? Boom. Right there, right? So what is this? What's the top of that? What's the
Yeah.
top of this? What's the top of this? Top of this is what? The top is at 154. So 154, 824 is where I'm going to. So let's see what
Yeah.
happens.
I
And
think
I'm
you're
still
gonna reach
negative.
it.
Okay, I'm still negative. So, you know, 165, was it 164.824. So now just put in a live order right now, right here. And see this candle right here, it's going down. See that candle right there?
Yeah.
It's kind of, it's kind of upside down hammer on the 15, right?
Yep.
Sometimes it freezes.
Mm-hmm.
I hate this
Yeah.
crap. All right, so they'll be here. Okay. All right. So let's see. So this is a live trade. I got in a trade right there. Look at the candle. I wish I
Yeah.
would have got in earlier, but you know, I was not prepared or yapping or whatever I did, I messed up. So I can say, yeah, you know what, well, Jay got this trade, but yeah, I got here, but I didn't want to keep yapping and say whatever else. So I'm taking down here. Let's see how it plays out. So I'm still negative. You can see why it's negative because I got there. But is this a zone here? Well, I gotta be careful because look at this. See these guys in here partying?
Yep. All those wicks too.
Yeah, the wick down here. See, I gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm hoping to come down here because this is this last wick here. So once I get in a profit, I gotta determine. Remember, this is a scalp, and I'm on the train late. See, he's here. He should have been right there, and I got on the train way late. You see that, right? So this
Yeah.
could be a bad trade, but I just want to show you what my thinking is when I look at this trade. The trade I would have been in would have been up here. I wouldn't have been on the Zoom. I would have been watching this trade since 7 o'clock, and I would have got in right here when it retested. You see, but now you're getting a little resistance here, so you're getting it's pulling back. So, but I got my stop loss at 165, 254. So I got some. If I get stopped out, I'm okay with that because I'm moving to the next setup. But you see, is this an optimal entry? Not really, but
No.
it's still a sell signal. You know what I'm saying? It's not. So personally, I would have not entered this trade, but I'm okay if entering this trade with a low lot size because I can see how it's going, and it may go the other way. I mean, there's like I said, there is some. It's bearish, right? So, again, you're taking trades against the trend. So I'm gonna let that roll for a second, and then let's see. Maybe come back to it or something. But again, this is where I would have loved to enter here. It just, you know, I didn't. But it might turn out, you know, this is like a fast scout, but I just wanted to show this. And it said a fair value gap here. See that? What Seb said. So this might just come back the other way. This is a little gap right here, a little zone here. See that?
Correct. But if
Yeah.
you see that push down, right?
Right. It's pushing down now, right?
That's a breaker structure.
Yeah.
Because
So
the
let's see.
market was pushing up, right?
Right.
It
Look at
just
that.
created a new low. So
Right.
that's a perfect trade.
Look at that. See the candle? See what's going on with the candle?
Yeah. That's
Look
the
at that
reason I
candle.
was, yeah.
Oh, look at that
I've been
candle. The
taking
candle's
that.
pushing down, right? See, it's pushing down.
Yeah, that's an easy trade.
See that?
Yeah, I think it's gonna go fast now.
Look at that. Look at that. See that? It's playing around
Mhm.
red. You can see it in real
Mhm.
time. You see it? It's real time. Look at it.
Mhm.
It's going red. Look at that. Because of the fair value
Yeah,
gap right here. It's a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Right here. So the man
correct.
is gonna trade right there, right? The fair value gap is right here, at the top over here. This is where the red is, like the crips right here. See that? That's a zone right there. So let's see what happens.
Yeah,
I
I
mean, if
think
it
we
play,
touched the lows.
yeah.
We're definitely gonna touch the lows.
Ooh,
We
ooh, look
might,
at that.
yeah,
So there's an indicator that designates the fair value gap.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right in here. I mean, let me take
Wow.
everything off. Let me take everything off so you can see what I'm talking about. Take
yeah,
this
the
off,
little guy
boom,
right there.
and then take this off, boom. So we're right here. Look at it. It's already red. Look at that. Okay, so
Yep,
what level is the guy at? Not this one. Not that
the
one.
middle one.
Boom. See that? See that? Boom.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Yeah,
Wow.
And I didn't create that gap, right? It came from the indicator. That's the pro algo. That's what's so dope. I mean, pro concepts. Sorry. So let me put everybody back on here because everybody wants to come to the party, right? Let's see what's going on.
yo, Jay,
Yeah.
the real fair value gap you should take it was that golden one.
Oh, up here.
Woo!
Yeah. Up here. Yeah.
Woo!
Well, see,
Oh,
I'm saying
beautiful.
that's if I was on the trade earlier, but it's yeah, right. Right at the sell signal. Right at the sell signal. Right at this gray one. This is
Woo!
a golden FVG. But see that
Yeah,
little gap right there. But again, this is retest of the this is playing around. That's playing around. That's playing around. But price
yeah,
gotta do what it gotta do.
yeah.
So we wait. I like my
So,
setup here. I like what I got here. So I'm just gonna wait it out and see what happens.
yeah, I think we touched the bottom
Yeah, I got 7 minutes
with
left.
with a
So
big push like this. I think we'll
yeah,
touch the bottom at least to the lows.
okay. Yeah. So this is a trade. But I wanna do a New York trade. I don't know how many people are up in New York or just listen, but I want to do a New York trade and show like how I got that Nas today. It was beautiful. But
Oh yeah,
yeah, but this is I mean, this is an area, but this is nice because it came up here, gapped in there, wicked and rejected. So
yeah,
I would think the next candle in 7 minutes should give us let's go on to the lower time frame and see what's going on.
yeah, go, yeah, correct.
Got some stuff going on here.
Yeah,
Let's go
you
to
had a
3 minute. It's
oh yeah.
consolidating, right? It's consolidating a little bit.
No,
1
no,
minute
we're
time
gonna
frame.
push down.
Okay.
We
Here we go.
definitely gonna push down. Oh wow, look at that. It hit fair value gap just perfectly.
Right.
Now it's creating a bearish pattern right here.
Right there,
It
right.
pushes down a bearish pattern for a breakdown maybe
Uh,
of those lows.
TP's right here.
Man,
Right?
yeah,
TP's right here. So this is a TP. So let's see if the TP is going to get hit. How long is it going to take for TP to get hit? There's a TP right there, right? Probably somewhere over here somewhere, maybe.
yeah,
So this just got to sit on it, man. This is where you got to sit on your hands and wait for the, you got to wait, man. This is a waiting game. This is the patience level of it all. It don't come overnight. You got to wait. So,
yeah.
so we got, a minute left on the 5, right? A minute left on the 5. So what do we have here? Got a minute left on the 5. It's still playing around. I'm still negative. So we'll see what happens. This was the entry level right here. Where the man is right there. 160, whatever that is. So let's see. Should be going to profit now. Once it comes down here, let's see. Am I in profit yet? Not yet. I'm getting there. It's still playing around, but you see the patience level.
Yeah,
I'm still negative. You can see it's still negative because it's up there. So I'm still waiting. Hopefully it'll break this level here, but still playing around a little bit. But like your boy said, you would have been up here and then the other fair value gap, 15-minute time frame up there. You see,
yeah. When you went to the 1 minute, oh
right?
my
One,
god, you had a and the 1 minute and
right,
look at that when it retested on top,
right
retested that
here,
fair value gap right there.
right,
Oh
right,
my
yeah,
god,
right, yeah,
that
down.
was
See,
so
yeah,
perfect.
yeah, it's
Oh
perfect.
my
This is
god.
at 9:14, 9:15. So, you know,
Oh
yeah,
shit,
it
we
would have been
missed
nice.
it.
Yeah, we missed it, right? But it's cool though. It's cool. We're good. We're good. We got it. This the people got it. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Is it past the level yet? No. I'm still not in profit yet. I'm still negative, but I'm not that I'm not that bad. All right. So the
No, I
candle
think
closed, right? How many more? How many seconds? 40. Okay. I'm close to profit. I'm close to zero. Right. It's playing around a little bit. Cause remember, I got to deal with the broker fees and the higher the lot size, the higher the broker fees and the higher the leverage and all that crap.
Right.
They gotta make the money. The market makers gotta say, yo, Jay, you know, you gotta pay to play, man. So, you know, that's how it
That's
is.
it. They don't lose.
They don't lose, right? Exactly. But this would have been a beautiful setup right here, man. This right here. Ooh, right here where
yeah,
the man is right
woo!
there.
Oh
Right there,
man,
right?
I would have taken that.
Yes,
I would have
sir.
taken that.
Yeah. Okay. So the next
Oh, here we go.
session.
Here we go.
Okay, here
It's
we go.
breaking.
Yes, breaking down. Here we
Here
go,
we
right?
go.
Here we go.
Here we go. It's breaking down.
Here we go. Here we go. I'm in profit now, a little bit. It's still a little bit, not much, a little bit. Here we go. What you got?
If you look at it, right, it pushed up really high. I'm saying on the consolidation area
Yeah.
to grab liquidity from the other top highs to push down.
There it goes.
Oh man.
Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Shit.
Here we go. Woo, here we go. Here we go.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. Look at that. See? Did I call it right? I called that thing right,
yeah,
didn't I?
well,
Break of
Look at this.
structure.
Oh, look at that. Look at this. Break a structure. Look. That's
Come
change
on,
the
yeah,
come
character.
yeah,
Look at
Come
this.
on.
Change the
yeah,
character right
yeah.
there. Ooh, I got sell
Come on.
signal. Ooh, nice.
Oh, I
Oh,
wouldn't.
nice.
Oh, I wouldn't even
Nice.
take that profit.
Nice.
I wouldn't even take that profit.
Move
Lower
it
it
down.
down. Can you?
Move it down. Move it down. Move it down.
Yes,
Come
I
on,
think
come
so.
on.
That's a big.
Move it down.
Come on.
Okay. I mean, this is where you can get greedy or whatever else, but here we go. Ooh, here we
Let's
go.
go.
I
Oh, here
told
we
you.
go. Oh, here
I
we go.
told you.
Here we go. Here we go.
Yo, that's a breakdown. That's a breakdown. Check
Ooh,
with the
ooh. Take my profit down a
yo,
little bit lower.
Come
Check.
on, come on now.
Check
Yeah.
check the
Take
lows
half,
real
yeah,
quick. I
take
want
half.
to look at it.
The what?
Boom.
The lows.
Come on, come on,
Oh,
come on.
do I
Come
move
on.
my take profit down
Come
lower?
on, boom. Come on.
Yeah,
It was
I
a
want to look at
TP.
your
Go.
support.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Okay,
go.
we got here like this.
Let's go. Come
Yeah.
on.
Yeah,
I'm sweating out here from all this red, man.
Right, yeah. See,
No,
it's live, right?
yeah. You
So I
gotta
Hey,
move
man,
my-
Hey, I took profit. I took profit.
Okay. So it's good. So I can keep my profit here if you want, or I can get greedy.
no.
I can
Yeah,
get
go
greedy
get
down
greedy.
here.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
take 50. Take 50% at your previous one.
Jay,
Yeah.
can I see the support area? I just want to look at it
Where?
from the left side. From the
Right here?
left side, because I can't see where it's gonna.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take that down there, $30.
I'm probably need to go to higher time frame to get more leverage.
Yeah, go to a high time frame. Yeah.
Ooh, there you go. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Did we hit?
shit.
Ooh, yeah, we did.
Yeah.
That's TP. That old TP, but my new one's down here. So I'm gonna.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
bottom of TP.
yeah.
But this is the bottom of it right here. Look at
Yeah. I say bring it right there.
that. Ooh, man, that's nice. What is that?
Yeah. Damn, we
Ooh,
just
take
hit a
it,
nice
take
goal.
Ooh, let's
TP, man. Take
go.
TP there.
Oh my God, look at that. Ooh wee.
Hey, good call,
Oh,
Jay.
lovely.
Good
Oh, that's
call.
lovely. Oh,
Ooh.
that's lovely. Look at that. We called that. Look at that's lovely. Oh man, y'all seeing it live in stereo. That's lovely.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that.
You're
Now I'm
recording
gonna
it
wait till a
too.
lower low. Watch, see? You stay till you get a lower low, right? Lower
Yes.
low. So you wait, you stay. There's no reason to get out. You wait.
Mm.
Wait till the lower low hits.
Oh, what was
Wait
that
till lower low
sound? You
hits.
hit?
Nah, that was my
Oh, okay.
that's my other account I have. See, look at
Okay.
this. See, this is my other GJ account that I'm working on. See this here? See, it's in profit. See that? Everything's in profit. Look at that. See that? Everything's in profit. Look at that. On a smaller account. This is one of my
Yeah.
smaller accounts, but let's go back over here. So I'm waiting. Actually, on this account here, I got my TP down to 160, 710. That's way down here. Ooh. I don't even know it hit down there. That's way down here. See? But it may not ride that long though. I might have to get out because it's hitting resistance. See? This is a resistance area here. Strong too, right?
Yeah, you should start thinking about getting out of the position.
Right. See, right position, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna close this guy. It's only $4, but that's one right there. See?
so
If you
Jay,
build it
did you
up.
say,
Yeah.
did you say you wouldn't ride it up when it's time to ride it up?
I mean,
basically
I would
before
on
you,
on a bigger one I'm writing now. The smaller one I'm not, because
Oh.
this makes sense. You're just trying to build this one up.
okay,
You know what
okay,
I'm saying? This is a baby one. The other
okay.
ones I use, and I'm gonna hold on to this thing.
There
It's
she go.
over. Look at that. She's going down
Look at
here.
that.
Look at this.
Look
So
at that.
I'm
Look at that.
staying in. Look at this, man.
Wow, wow,
15-minute time frame. Look at this. It smashed the TP. Now,
wow.
if it breaks this, I'm looking for another entry. See, this is a break and retest. So remember, I was telling you, Mike, if it comes down here, right? Oh, it's
Yeah.
breaking. It's breaking right now. Look at that. I don't even need that.
Yep.
Look at that. Actually, all I'm gonna
Good
do is
job.
this. Check it out. Oh, it took my profit. See, let me show you this.
What do
This
you
is
mean?
perfect.
It's the
On my other account, I put the 824, remember?
uh-huh.
And that one hit. I'm gonna put this in the chat right here. Watch this. It hit. This was a perfect example of just utilizing the trade. This way. Let me show you. So you can see what I did. So I'm not gonna. That's on one of the other accounts that I have, but I have like 3 or 4 of them that I use. Okay, so look at this. This is the pro. See right there? If I see this, that was my entry, right? My stop loss was 240, and that was the take profit, right? Right there. See that? Everybody can see that?
Perfect, yeah.
That's what it was. You saw this trade. So that trade came from here. Hold on. It came from here,
Yeah.
right? We got the trade. So now what is it doing? It's breaking it. So now do I go to another entry? I'm still holding another trade that I had earlier, but you saw what I did. The man was here, and then he got in on the 15-minute FEG right there. Perfect. And then you get the color flip down here, and the trend is bearish. So we just hop on this trade. So I have a question. Who took this trade with me?
I
I
did.
took it.
Okay, can you send me a screenshot of that, either by Telegram or Discord or whatever? Because I want to show people that this works. And if people took a trade, even if it's $1, you won. This was not a losing trade. I would take credit if it was a losing trade, but it wasn't. It was a winning trade. And we looked at all of the features, and we even saw where we should have got in up here. We should have got in right
Good
here,
job.
but we didn't, right? We
Yep.
still got
Good
profit.
job.
Still going down, right? So did anybody have any questions on that?
At
Nope.
this point, to protect profits, would you be moving your stop?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
would. Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would move my stop loss in the profit, which was up here somewhere. What was my stop loss? It was up here, right? That's 165, 254. So I would move it in profit. So I came here, right? This is break even. Everybody understand break even? My thing was at 165 up here, right? And the entry
Yeah.
was where the white line is. So now I'm at break even. So you could put it here and let it ride. Because if it comes back to retest and take you out, you haven't lost any money. But why do that when you can secure profits? Secure profits, move it in profit down here, and then let that ride. You see, let that ride.
Yeah. If you look at that, man, that's a big brick structure.
Right. Let's do it right now. But look at where you are here. We got a possible double bottom happening, right? Double bottom.
Yeah.
Right. This would have to break this line here with a bull candle. I don't want to see. It's what 11 minutes to go. Bull candle, and then you hold it till you get a lower low and a buy signal. See, the buy signal came right here, and plus it's red. And this other little one I have here, you see, you're getting a little reversal here.
There you
This is
go.
another.
Lower again.
See all this red here. This is an MT4 chart. You see all the red up here is still red. Look at all that red. Look at that 82% short. All shorts here. This is like a little reversal, so it's going to reverse soon.
Does that red represent what?
Here,
Trend.
it's trend. You see this right here? You see where it turned blue to green right here? See that right there? From here, you would have sold all the way down from here. And you see it's below. I got a 200. And you see I got this is the old tips way, right? I got a 200. And I meant to tell you, Mike, 20 and 200 are powerful. I'm not doing 5 and 13 no more. I'm doing 20 and 200.
Okay.
The 20 and 200. This is 20. Once price breaks below the 200, you're golden. And it happened right around here. But you see the cross right here. The cross is right here, right? The cross of the 20 and the 200 right there. Boom. I mean, I know indicators lag, but you can't make this stuff up.
On what time frame? Any time frame?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go 15-minute time frame. Look at this. That's not sure. The place consolidation up there. You see the support level, see? What a 30-minute time frame. to the 4-hour time frame. See that there? So that's where it is right now. Let's see, it's bouncing on this support zone here. See that? So that's the same thing it's doing over here. See that? See it's bouncing off that? You see
Yep.
that long stick? That's rejection.
Okay,
See
go
that?
to the 1 minute. See if it.
It's going up. It's
the,
buying. I bet it's buying. See that? It's buying. See that?
Yeah,
Rejecting in here.
Yeah,
It's
that's
getting
right.
ready.
Wait for
It's getting.
the. Maybe we'll get a liquidity sweep right here
Yeah.
with
Let's.
the
I wonder about
fair
that.
value gap.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah,
do you
with a
think?
fair value gap. That could be a liquidity zone. So
Yeah.
it might create a fair value gap to go
Yeah.
in.
Yeah. But I would wait for the fair value gap and then take it down because remember the downtrend.
Correct.
I don't trade against the trend. That's just me personally. But
Yeah, I know, I get it.
yeah.
There's counter trends.
But this here. So I wanted to get on a Zoom, another Zoom one day and catch this trade. Not well, we got this one, that's fine, but I want to catch this. So how many people will be
Oh.
willing to jump on a trade at 7 o'clock and go till like 11 and then find a trade and milk it?
Yes.
Sometimes
Look,
you
it's
gotta do
doing it
that.
right now. Look at
Yeah.
that. It's
Up
doing it.
here. Yeah.
That might be a fair value gap.
Yeah,
If I
could
can't
be.
see.
So it's gonna be could be another sell down, right? Well, that's good. That's good money, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, if anyone took that trade and you won, send me a screenshot of that.
I sent it to you. I texted it to you.
Okay, cool. Anybody else?
Yeah, I
Yeah, I
don't trade
sent it, I
forex.
sent it to you through Messenger.
Okay, cool. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I hope everyone understands what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help people make money. I know all this other stuff is, the vocabulary, everything else, but it's not that hard. I mean, we all lose money, but try to be on the winning side of it. So hopefully, someone was able to win some money on this. But I want to get on a trade, on a trend call, and we get this guy here, right? That's what I want. This is 919, right? So we could have caught this. This would have been awesome. We caught all this here, right? That's 38 pips. So,
Yeah.
does anybody have any questions or any comments or anything they want to see, or is this good, bad, good, ugly, straight,
No, I
dope,
think, I
Hey,
think it was good.
Jay.
I
crazy?
appreciate the insight because at that point when I asked you about would you take a buy or sell there, I would have taken a buy before this class because thinking I'm at the bottom of the zone.
Right.
But you making the point that with the overall trend is down because
Right.
of the higher time frames.
Right.
That's a good note.
And you can see, can you see this little dashboard here? Anybody see
Yes.
that? What do you see here? Anybody can see? You got a
It's
little
all
bear.
red.
It's all red, right? But look a little, you see they have a little the daily is bullish on this time frame, on the momentum. But look at this. Look, everything is red, right? It's a little bear 60. Look at the trading panel. Look at it, says weak, right? See all this red? The daily is bullish for some strange reason, right? That's what it's saying. But I don't believe that. This is a downtrend, man. On the 30th. See. All right, so we found a setup. It wasn't the setup that I wanted, but we found a setup, right? That was nice, right? That was dope, right?
Definitely.
Yep, that was
Definitely.
dope.
So we're done, right? We're
That's
done.
it.
If you got 20, 50, 100, whatever you got, you're done. You're straight. Or you can look for next setup. So
Hey, Jay.
yeah.
How much did you risk to make 100?
I think 20, 30,
How much?
30. It's a 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 30 to get 100.
Yeah, okay.
That's
So
cool,
you
right?
risked 30. Yeah, you risked $30 to make 100.
Right. I'm good with that.
Yeah, I'm good
Yeah,
with
that's
that
pretty
too.
good.
I can spend $30 at Red Lobster, right? I can spend
Yeah,
$30 at whatever restaurant you go to, right?
Easy.
I spent $60 on buying some food today for for the family. So I mean, it happens, man.
Hey, Jay.
You
I
know,
be
so
putting. Hey, Jay, when I trade the Nasdaq or the S&P 500, I be buying contracts for like $10,000 to make 3,000.
Right.
Mm.
I don't know if y'all know about this, but this is a hidden secret that no one knows about. This is called Nadex. I know some people have told me, some people have heard me talk about Nadex, but Nadex
Yeah.
is the bomb.
Oh, you
Um,
tried it?
well, no, I have an account, but I'm still working on it. I'm still working on. I'm trying to. What I'm trying to do is line up the. I'm trying to line up the indicators to help me know where to buy the contracts. So a guy today I know bought a contract for $100 and made $4,000.
Mm.
So you can go to a forex, right? A pair, and these are the contracts. So let's go to knockout contracts. Let's go to GJ, right? GJ, gotta go GJ. Let's see, where's it's the same thing. What 100 to 3,000? What? What's the 1 to 30?
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Okay,
That's
so
crazy.
let's look at GJ. Let's look at what we just did here. So these are the contracts you got here, right? So if you click on one of these, you can look at this, see, and we just got that sale, right? So if I bought a contract saying I think it can go down to this here, right? I can buy a contract, I can sell a contract, this contract here, watch this. All right, so I can put money on it, right? So you see this? At $33.70, so I can come in here and get more contracts, right? If I did 10 contracts, I'm risking 320 to get 710, that's 2 to 1, right? So 164.13 is down here somewhere, right? Where's it at? Down here somewhere. So this right here. So do you think this is gonna go down to here? Anybody? Do you think this is the 4-hour time frame? Do you think it's gonna go from here to here?
Yes, I think so because you just broke the structure right there.
So you can
Once
use.
that candle,
It
Go ahead.
once
could,
that,
but personally, I think I would say no, because if we look
I
at the
think so.
reversion bands, we are kind of really getting to those levels where we could see a reversal.
Okay, so let's
Yeah.
let's clean the chart and let's see. Would you take this trade? That's where's that? That's so you see, I'm gonna do one contract. One contract is 28 bucks for 75. 164.13. So if I had money in here, I'd say buy, place order, right? So 164.13, I go to trading view with the indicators. Where's 164.13? Will it get down here? I'm gonna put a line here.
where's it at?
I'm gonna draw right here. 164.13. 164, what was it? Point 13, right? So point
No,
point
yeah.
130. Do you think it's gonna get here?
No way.
I
No,
Yeah or
no,
nay?
not,
Yeah or nay? Yeah or nay?
no. Of course
Okay,
not.
so
Not right
look at the other
now.
ones.
no.
So do you think they're going to 164.89?
Was for
You
89.
see the numbers here?
Yeah.
You see the numbers?
It's gonna
Now
go
it's gone to 188.
188.
164.88. 164.89. 164.90.
Yeah.
Will it get there
How much time? How much time you have to
on the
get there?
contract? At 3 p.m. Expires in 16 hours. So
No. No, fuck that shit.
164.90. 164.90. Will it get to 164.90?
Yeah, it will.
164.90. Will it get there? It's already there. See, it's already here. So it had to
Yeah.
start here, and then take it down to another level. Let's see what the level will be. I'm thinking 164.13. That's one thing I can think of. See, wherever the blue line is.
Yeah.
But I'm still working it, man. I'm still working it. But there's a way to combine all of this with the indicators. I have to back test it. But like I said, there's guys killing this, man. They getting contracts, and you can see if you knew you can get 10 contracts, dude's getting 20 contracts. You see that, right? If you know it's going to get to that point, then it's game time. I just have to study it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So what do we got here? I just want to show that Nadex is the next beast I'm going to try to get, man. And you could do that.
So Nadex is options for forex.
Right. Yeah. See, you can do forex, right? You can do what you can do. You can do indices. You can do commodities. You can do oil and gold. So you can do gold, right? Look at gold.
It's unregulated.
It's regulated, right? Because it's in the US.
Oh,
It's
okay.
regulated. It's regulated nice.
Chicago, right?
That I don't know. That I don't know. I'm still new to Natick, so I'm still learning, so I couldn't tell you. But I'm going to start getting into it more. It's mad money in there, man. This is money to be made, man.
That too, Don.
Yeah, but I wanted to share Natick, man. If you don't know about Natick, you can find out about it. Natick.com. But you're gonna see some posts in the next couple of months, and they're gonna be They're gonna be gangster. That's all I can
I'm
tell you.
with
So anyway, where we at? We got that profit. Look at what we got here. See, we're at the same level. What we got? 15. Right. So what
Yeah, I
would we
think-
do? Go ahead.
Yeah, I think I think we're gonna hit lower than that.
Okay.
Definitely.
The 5-minute time frame. Now it's consolidating. See, it's consolidating now.
Yeah.
Love it. So let's take all the drawings off. Right. So how do we set the next move up? Because London, I told you it moved at 3 o'clock. And you see that I'm only working with one pair. Some people got 2, 3, 4 pairs. I'm just trading this and Nas right now.
Check. Yeah, go check the on US 100 right now.
Well, let's see if we can find a trade there. Let's check it out. All right,
Okay,
here we
let's
go.
look.
Where we at? Let's look at that. Where we at?
Oh yeah, man. There we go. Let me see. So we had a
see.
liquidity
got?
sweep.
What we got?
Oh
This
yeah,
is
this is
5.
looking good.
Okay, so can we find the setup in the next 30 minutes? What do you got? Who thinks yes or no? Okay, what would you be looking for? Anybody? Somebody?
I'm right now. I'll be looking for like, if I was gonna scalp this,
Right now.
I'm going for downside.
Okay, so let's
I
look at
agree,
the overall time
Well-
frame, right? Look at the
Yeah,
overall time frame
downside.
first and see what is the overall
Yeah.
time. What is the overall trend for Nas right now?
Down.
Right. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
It's
I
clear
think
as
I
day, right?
see a setup right now for the.
Okay.
Correct.
Who said that? What time frame? 4 or
So
15?
I'm on the 15 minute.
Okay. Talk to me,
and-
brother. Talk to me, brother. What you got?
So right now you see that golden FVG that we are right near. I think that would be great.
Right here, right?
Yes,
here.
I will hit it. I will hit it right now.
Right here, right? You mean this right here? This right here? This?
Exactly, yeah. And
Yeah.
stop
Okay,
loss
okay,
just above
okay.
the structure.
Okay. Okay.
Take profit near order block.
Okay. Say that again. And
So,
say it slowly so everyone gets it, please.
All right, so entry right near that golden fair value gap. Stop loss just above the high at the lower high.
Okay. Give
So
me
the
an
most
entry level.
target right there. So so stop loss would be 11,530.
Okay, hold on. I'm right in here. 11,530, you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Entry would be either now or if you want to really play it, catch all of it. It would
Okay.
be between 11,490 to 11,493.
Okay, hold on.
I'm
I'll
gonna
write that
check
down.
my trading view.
Okay,
So-
so stop losses here. Everybody see that? This is not a trade for you to take. This is just a trade idea. The difference. All right, let me write this in here real quick. What was your entries you said? Now or what? Now?
Between 11,490 and 11,493.
And then 11,492?
Yeah, 492,
Okay.
492.
This is enter. Enter now or that, right? And then
Yeah.
take profits where?
Take profit would be just 11,376.
11,376
Yeah, so playing it safe.
down here. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Everybody see that? Did everyone see how you got that? Because it's zone right there. So let's go back to the man. The man's right here at the bus stop waiting right there. He's right at this bus stop right here. To that.
Yeah.
So you're talking about taking down to here. Okay, so everybody see that? Who is okay with this trade going now or waiting? Remember, because this is where you have to have balls of steel, right? Take profit is where the man is, right? Profit. Okay, so here's another setup for Nas. If you are game to take this, then I would say take it. Everybody see that? It's bouncing up here, 11,490. So guess what?
I would take it now.
I'm
and
taking it
take
now.
Profit.
I'm jumping in
and I
right
would-
now. Yep.
And I would sell it at 11,466.
I'm taking it right now. I'm still on another set for GG, but yep. So I'm
Hookah's
jumping
Will,
in.
are you using MTL5?
I'm using MT4. Yeah,
MT4?
4. 5 don't work. 5 has got some bugs. I don't know what it is. It don't work on my cell phone and computer. I don't know, and it doesn't work with some brokers. So I don't know. It might work with somebody else, but
Look, it's breaking down right now. I'm looking at it.
okay. I'm in a cell right now for Nas, and
Yeah.
I'm using the same credentials you said. 111,530 is my stop loss right here, right? 1130.
Where's your
Remember that
sell
in the-
stop at?
It's right here. What a man said. He said to go right. 11,530. Is that right? You said right?
Okay, no,
Yeah,
but what's your take profit?
Right here at 11,376. Put in it right now. 11,376.
That's too
11,376.
far. No, that's too far.
Well, let's see if it rises. We don't know. So I'm in the trade right now.
Yeah, me personally, I would sell it at 11,466.
I'm gonna do two trades. Little one. I'm gonna do another 1.10.
I'm looking at the 1 minute. That's
Oh,
why.
yeah. So 0.10. So I got two. I got
11,466
two.
would be really bad risk to return ratio.
What's that?
If we went with the 11,466, that would be a
Yeah.
really bad risk return ratio.
I don't know how Forex works, so I'm trying to figure that out
So
right
I
now.
say what we could be waiting for is we have that market structure at 11,437, 438.
Ooh.
Yeah.
At that level, we want to watch it if it breaks. If we see some type of bounce or something, just get out of the trade or lower your stop loss to cover your fees.
Okay, if you're looking at the 15-minute, then I would take it to the last fair value gap. So that'd be 11,386. That's what.
So I'm in it. There you go. See that?
That's
I'm in it with the same credentials you just told me to use, right? 530, 376. I got two trades open. Let's see how that rolls. There we go. We're
yes.
live. We're live.
That's on the 15-minute chart. You know that.
Right. Yeah. So let's go. Let's go to 5 and see what the 5 is doing. Okay.
Yeah,
Look, looking good, right?
I'm more conservative than you guys, so.
Look at that. Look at that. All right. So we're going down to that where the man is right here. We're gonna get to the man. Anybody?
GJ is
What
moving,
you think?
by the way.
Oh,
Yeah.
DJ is just.
Yeah. Dude, you guys are crazy, man. You guys want to go for long hits. I just
Ooh,
want
look at that. Look at that. See, look at this. This is what this is. So there's another
Yeah.
trade I'm in. There's another trade I'm in. So let me
Oh,
show you what
yeah.
this trade I'm working this trade. All right.
Yeah,
Oh man, look at this. Ooh, see this.
that's
This
a
is what,
breakdown.
yeah. This is. I'm telling you. You're looking at this live, man. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So there's another one that I'm in. I'm in this other one here. Check this out.
Yeah.
This one I'm in. You can see this. You can see this here. Boom. That trade right there. That's the one I'm in. That's the other one I'm in. But you see, these
Yeah.
are the ones you just gave me. I'm already at $48 just based on who called that. Who said that trade?
That was me.
No, the dude, the guy that's he had the other accent. The guy that said these take profits. Who was that?
Yeah, I think that's me on Nas. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. So who cut this trade? Who caught this? This is like
That was
profit. Look at
Listen,
this.
no. Hold on, stop.
Look at this. I'm
Listen,
saying, but it doesn't matter who called it.
I
Who
told
got it?
Jay, to go to US 100.
Okay,
And
that's
then I
good.
told him, grab the fair value gap right here.
There you go. Okay, so let's go. Who's
That was
winning this
it.
trade? Who's with it? Who got this? Who took this trade? You're in profit right
No,
now.
Yeah, I'm not in it because I pay options. So
That's cool. Look at this. Boom, look at this.
Yo, maybe I should go forward. Shit. I be sleeping on that shit, man. I just get scared. New shit.
See, look at this.
Yeah.
That came just from y'all. I didn't even look at that. Look at that. That's
Yeah.
only 0.4, 0.10. That's how many minutes is that? When that trade all came out?
Yeah.
What was in the last minute, right? 5 minutes? I know 2 minutes. I don't know what it was.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
You,
Who took this? Who took that?
hey, your broker is Hugo's way,
Right.
right?
Yeah. Hugo's way. Yeah.
Yeah.
And KOTX.
Could you show on Hugo's way? I'm trying to like change my layout and stuff, but I cannot find the settings for that. Do you know what that would be?
For what?
Like to change the chart background color and shit.
You'd have to go into like the actual chart. These are templates I created, so you'd have to go into the actual chart to do it.
Okay.
I'd have to show you. It depends on what it is. I have to show you. Hit
Yeah.
me up on the DM and I can like kind of show you.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Look at this DJ's killing it, man. But look at this. This is dope, right? Where's Nas? Nas is over here, right? US 30. That's US 30. Let's see what Nas is doing. Might have to jump into another trade on Nas. Maybe. See what do we have here? That's Nas100 now. Yeah, that's still look at this. Ooh.
So the US 100 right now is bouncing off that fair value gap I was telling you about.
Yes.
That 11,466.
Yes.
That's the reason. That's the reason that I would have taken profit there. But you guys were talking about, the profit margins and stuff like that.
Well, I mean, you could take it here if you like. I mean, I could jump out right now and have $111. That's within how many minutes? What time we got in this trade? How long ago? 5 minutes ago?
Yeah.
10?
Yeah.
Okay, so I made $100 in 10 minutes. Okay, I'll take
Yeah.
that. Right? I
Yeah.
don't know if it's gonna go down here or not. It may bounce.
Yeah.
I may get out.
Yeah, I would take it out.
I mean, you can come here, right? This is a nice little gap here.
It's just on the 1 minute, a fair value gap is freaking actually taking it. You know why I'm scared of it? Because if you look at the 1 minute, that's
Okay,
a
I'm looking at one.
liquidity grab from all the bottom. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? That's the
Yeah.
reason why I would have taken profit.
But-
And that's the reason why it's bouncing.
Yeah, this is just a retracement on a higher time frame. So if the retracement's here, because it's getting resistance here, but that's not a bad trade. I mean, it may not.
No,
it may not get here.
$100.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah,
Anyone take that
make
trade?
your money.
Anybody took it? See, this is better
That
than
was an easy.
signals. This is better than signals. I like this better than signals because we're calling trades and you take it if you like it or not. It could go the other way. We could lose. That's 2 winning trades we got tonight. We got this one. I don't know what that is, but this one and Nas. So who took anybody took
But-
Nas?
Okay, I'm gonna look at another stock. You ready?
Yeah, another indices.
Yeah, let me go look. Hold on.
I'm closing this out. I
Yeah,
mean, you don't
close
have
it
to.
out.
If you don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm closing mine out because I already got my little thing. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, now I want you to look. Can you trade gold?
Ooh, hold on. Yeah, well, yeah, let me check it out. But I can't close it out yet because I'm getting greedy. Look at this. This is beautiful, man. I'm sure you real quick.
Look at GJ. Look at GJ.
I'm sure you got it. You checking it out, Mike? It's running. It's
I'm
tanking.
sorry. I'm sorry I took profit. I should have put my stop on the
Yeah. That's cool. That's cool. I mean, it woulda, coulda, shoulda, but we all got paid, so we gotta. You know what I'm saying? We go from there. Yeah, that's cool though. Let's see what gold's doing, man. What you got for gold? See, look at that.
Yeah, I'm looking at gold right now. Damn, it hitting. You know what? Gold is actually hitting support area in the 15-minute.
Yeah.
You see it?
Hold on. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's consolidation like a bitch.
Yeah, but I'm
Yeah.
looking at that. I'm looking at the 1 hour, and it's hitting on the bottom of the bounce.
Yeah. I see.
You
Yeah,
see
yeah,
it?
you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
So hold on.
There's some.
I'm looking. So let me. So that could become a liquidity sweep. I'm just
Yeah, it's possible, right?
yeah.
Possible. Possible. See. I guess I can't close out my trade yet because it's still going, man. Look at this.
Which trade is that? I can't see.
This is still going. See, I still got some numbers. See, it's
Yeah.
still got room to go. My question is, why would I get out?
Yeah.
Why would I get out? Let's see. That's the 15. So your boy said he called it at the take profit, though, right? I'm gonna stay in this trade. I'm just gonna move my stop loss in the profit. I move it up to break even and then let it roll. If it comes back and bounces me up, so be
Yeah,
it.
yeah, smart.
Right. All right. So you said gold, Seb?
Yeah. Look at gold. Look at that gold right now. Damn, gold is moving too. Oh man. Fuck.
Moving it and I had that level right there. So does everybody see how powerful this is? I mean,
Mm-hmm.
does everybody see what I'm talking about? Like how powerful this is?
Yes, incredible. We all should be millionaires.
Well, I'm trying to get them right. You seen that dude, that brother named Q Banks from Miami? That dude is rocking up on US 30, bro.
Yeah, Q's a
Killing
bad
it.
dude. He's a
Killing it.
bad dude. Yeah.
He's a bad dude, right? But
Yeah.
he not doing nothing different than this stuff. So
Yeah.
the key is who's gonna flip the Donna Pro to $1 million? That's what I'm talking about. Who's gonna do that? Who's gonna flip Donna Pro to 100,000? That's what I want $1 million. Who's gonna do that?
All
It
right.
hasn't been done yet.
Seems like GJ and Nas, they kind of flow together. Have you found that, Jay?
Let's see. DJ still going down a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, Nas, they kind of just flow together.
Ooh, look at that. Dang. I should have stayed in that trade with
Anybody
smaller
that's
ones.
still looking at EU?
You probably consolidating.
I'm in both Nas and GJ. I'm staying in both.
This GJ trade is beautiful, man. Look at that.
I know, man. Unbelievable.
Look like it's going to the basement, y'all.
That's how it goes.
No, I didn't close Nas. I was gonna close it, gold and G, but I didn't.
Look at Euro USD. It's fucking moving crazy.
Yeah. So it's good, man, right? That's good. That's good stuff, man, right?
Euro USD. Look like it might start to fall.
Yeah,
Think so?
Euro USD.
Oh yeah, looks like it's trying, right? Get a little self signal there. Uh-oh. So you
I
can take
got
it.
a,
What you say? Go
I
ahead.
got a, I got a standard and a half on it.
Going big time, man.
Man.
big dog. There's a self signal right there. Look at that. Right here on this one right here, right? You could do this here. Look at this. Basic 101. To draw those trend line, boom, like this, and let that thing break it. Yeah, that could be too. Look at that. Who's breaking it now? Nice. Yeah, so this was a good setup, man. This is good calls, man. Good job, y'all.
You think about that,
Man.
GJ? How
Good,
far
man.
you think it's going down? 161?
Man, I don't know,
161?
man. I don't know.
I got 161. You
I
think
got
it-
161. I got it to
oh, this
160.
thing,
This thing here is gonna. Ooh, it's. I got it to 160. 161. I got it to. What do you think? Oh. Damn. Okay, guess what? I didn't close out the Nas trades, and I didn't close out this GJ trade on this other account. Check this out. So what are you taking it to? All sales. Damn. This here, look at this. So this was this is the other one I'm in now. See, they moving now. See that? So how long? What I got it to 160. What I got this to? What am I taking this down to? What is the take profit? 161? What do you think? What line is this? What line is this? This is line is this?
I got 161.
What do you got?
Plain and safe. I got 161,961. Plain and safe.
Let me see what you got.
That's a ways to go.
You said it was 161. Was it 161 point? What's the number?
Yeah, 961.
I call it 60.
But I think it's going to go deeper,
Oh,
but there's more
like that?
liquidity down there below. I don't want to go down too far.
Yeah, let's look at the 4 hour and see what you got. Here's the zone right here, right? This is a little order block right here. Here's a little order block
Mhm.
right here, but I already broke it already. See, this little order block right there, broke it already. Oh, it's kind of in it right now. It's right at the zone. It's right in it. So
Then that's a breakout.
yeah.
Sure.
Here's another one. And here's another one here. Down here. This one here.
That's breaking down hard.
Mhm.
Right here. Right there. So you can take it to here. But what are you gonna do? You see the little blue line here? It's way down here. See that? Way down here.
Mhm.
So it has to break out. So this is a strong support zone right here.
I think it might bounce right there.
Yeah, yeah. Can someone mute their mic? Get some TV or something? Who is that? Oh, anyway, so yeah, so that's where it is right there.
I
So
get that number.
do we hold on to it or what? That's not even London yet. So London, man, might break this down even more. So you draw a trend line like this, right? And you go from there like that. So anybody got any questions? Any? How many people would like to do this again? Like maybe one or twice a week?
Oh, absolutely.
Me?
Man, this is better than Netflix, man. I was switching my subscription.
That's good, right? Okay, so anything else?
I think you wanted to show us that trade you made earlier this morning.
Yeah, 'cause I
Oh, you
came
mean
on
not? Yeah, you mean
late.
Nas? Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I'll probably show that another time. I think I can probably just this is some more in-depth stuff. But I wanted this to I wanted to get someone to win some trade today. So if I got one person to win a trade, then I did my job.
We did that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
well then that's all good. That's all I need to know.
Hey Jay, you told us to
Yeah.
remind you about a MT4 indicator. Or did you
Yeah,
show already?
no, I did I just picked this up, man. I know people like hating on the MT4, but this MT4 is dope. I just picked this thing called High Loc. And on the higher time frame, you can see when it turned green. You see when it turned green right here. I got a little line here. See that where it turned green? It was an uptrend, right? So look at all the confirmations. I got a support zone here, and the indicators cross right here. Look at that cross. See that cross right there? So as soon as it hit here, it went up. And look where the other line is over here. You can see where the zones are for let me turn this to black. I'm always checking out indicators, man. I'm always checking out indicators, man. Like this. So if it comes here, look at that sell right there. Boom. Look where it came right at the support line, right at the star bar arrow, and it tanked. Right. I mean, you didn't get across to here, right? But it closed below the 20. See that?
Mhm.
So long as it closed below 20, you're good. You would have got in right here. You would have got in right here. Boom. That line right there.
How much is that indicator?
It was like $8. Right? I'm telling you, I'll be finding stuff, man. You gotta, how far can you go into the dark world of that? You gotta, it's dark, man. You gotta be able to go dark, man. There's a lot of stuff for people that want you to know. I'd be finding it, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to learn. I want to win, man. I want to win, man.
Right.
Trying to win the game, dog. Trying to
There
win the
you go.
game, bro.
How do we get access to that indicator? Just pull up the name?
I got it from, I'll send it in the link. They sent it to me in the link. I signed up for like a gazillion different indicator type things. Cause I like to try stuff out. I'll send it, remind me to send in the link. I got a link for it.
Can you put it on your phone?
Nah, all these are strictly, I don't do nothing on the phone. Only thing I'm doing on the phone is the chart setup and put some RSI stuff on it. Let me show you.
Mhm.
But everything has to be done on the computer or your, this is what I have on my phone. Hold on. Let me bring this up so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know people like, I just trade I monitor the trade on my phone. Or you can
Right.
set you can set the trade on your phone, do an analysis on the computer, and then let the trade run on the phone. You know what I'm
Right.
saying?
That's what I do.
This is what I have. This is what my chart looks like on the phone. This, you know, see that? Hold on. Hold on. This is yeah. Okay, there. Everybody see that? Somebody answer, Scott. Yes.
See,
This, see that
but
there?
small.
See that? Can you see
Right.
that? Let me open up it more.
Looks like mine.
That's my phone. See? So once the trade goes into the phone, then I monitor it from here. So if I'm out and about someplace. But I try not to trade when I'm out and about. I try to let the trades run when I'm out and about, you know what I'm saying? But this one here, see, you get alerts. But look at that. That sell would have been right here. This is perfect sell. This is 17, which is see, the broker time is different from the regular time because this Hugo's way is overseas. So the broker time 1700 would have been 10 a.m. in the morning. So that's New York. That's kind of where I took that other trade on Tuesday. But you see, it's been tanking. So you could have gotten this trade here, right? Get a kind of trade right here when it turned red, and hold that thing right here, right? And hold that thing all the way down to where it is now. Straight bank. And you're the resistance zone here. See, now you got the blue down here. This is strong support. So it's trading between 12,445 and 11 something. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, remind me to send that. That's dope. Because I use, like I said, I use the indicators on TradingView and MT4. I'm like, you got to use all the tools you have, man, you know?
That's right.
So
So that again, that was a 20 EMA, and what was that EMA?
let me put it back over here. 20, the red is 20. I'm sorry. The blue is 20, right? And red is 200. You can add the 13 in here. The 13 probably would run closer to the price. I've been testing this out a little bit. The 13, you could use a 13, right? And let's call it yellow. Could use that, and that could be a little bit more confirmations. That's MFI. Hold on, I want that. That's a money flow index. I want that. I want the moving average. Where the heck is the moving average? And you remember that what's the other one we was using? The Moss. They don't know about that, brother. That's another powerful tool. But you gotta be careful with the moth though, man. You know what I'm saying? All right, here we go. So this is gonna be, well, when I got a money flow index. Hold on, I don't know what that. Only problem with MT4 is it's very archaic, it's slow. So it's like it hogs up a lot of your stuff, you know what I'm saying? You know, if you're not what am I getting anyway, so yeah, so I mean you could try to use your 13. I've just been using the 20 and the 200, man. And whenever price breaks below the 200, you know, it's really it's gold time. If they both cross and the close below 220, you're good. See this here? What does it say? Open sell order. See that? So you see it's a sell below the 20, and it's all red. It's all red here. See that? So that's my question. Why would I get out of this trade? Look at this. It's breaking your thing. Remember you said that? It's breaking. This is about a tank, man. I was a fool for closing that trade. I should have closed the other trade on my other account. See, I mean, you never know. You never know what happens, man. You just gotta play it by ear, man. Everyone is different, man. You know, you just gotta play it by ear and see. So anyway, anybody else? Anybody else?
Could you tell me, I missed in the beginning, did we open under 1800 this morning?
Say it again.
Did we open under 1800 on that Nas?
Oh yeah, hold on. I think we did. Yep.
I know it came down, but
That's yeah, it
wasn't
did.
able-
I did. Let me. let's see.
Road I wasn't able to see.
This is the. Yeah, and I have a chart here somewhere that shows the same thing. Here we go. Here we go. Nas. All right. Oh, this was a beautiful thing. I think I showed this on one of the charts I had. I think I had this on the. Was it only 5 or the 5-minute time frame I had? I mapped this up earlier today. Yeah, see, this is the 29th, right? 30th. Oh, over here someplace. See, this is perfect. Look at this. This played out perfectly. It opened up right here. Look at that. And so this is what I did earlier. This is what I've been doing. Let me show you this real quick. This is per Seb. Hold on. I did a chart. I did hold on. I did the first value, which is 1800. I don't know if Seb's still here or not. 1800. Right there. Right. I did another one. Hold on. Let me move this to the beginning of the day. Beginning of the day right here. Okay. So this is 1800. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to show you how I flipped Nas today, right at the opening bell. It's 30th, right? So, and then I got 1000. And I can show you exactly where QBanks got his US 30 trade today because he got in on the buy going up. You can see it, clearly see it. 1000, that's 1000's here, right? Then you got negative 1800. You got negative 1800 was down here someplace, right? Negative 1800. So where's it open up? Open up right there, see? All right, so you have this, so that closed right here. It closed right here, right there, right at 234, right? So there's a gap right there. So I had to fill the gap. So it did fill the gap. It filled the gap. Let me move this up a little bit once you see it. See this little gap has to fill? There's a gap right here. So if I come over here and draw a line like this, right? There's a gap right here. This is a gap that price has to fill. It does it every day. So the price gaps has to fill that gap. So it opened up down here and it was bearish. So let's see. It was bearish right at 930. And we can clearly see that it was 930. See, it was bearish at 930. See that? Right at 930, right here. It was bearish. And then went all the way down. And then it came back into this gap, right? And it had to fill the gap. And look at what the reversal was right here. So it filled this gap and went all the way up. So from 930. Oh, this is gonna blow your mind. Let me find it. I don't see I'll find that trade here. That trade. I posted in here like earlier today. People didn't believe it. But I don't know where it is. I gotta find it. Somewhere up in here, right? It was early in the morning. I think. Trying to go so far back. Anyway, I'll find it later. It's all good. But then you get in here, 930. So it opened up below 1000, right? Actually, it opened up below 1800, right? Which is right there. And it came down and then it kind of filled the gap. This is the gap right here. This here is the gap. This gap right here. This can work. Gap. Right. So that's a price gap right there. So the gap right there, the gap got filled. So, and then you could have got in when this gap broke and retest right there. Everybody see that? Right there. And then it had that reversal right there, right? So now look where it is. So let's look at tomorrow. How is it going to reflect tomorrow? So tomorrow is here. So it depends on 930 is over here someplace, right? 930, right here. So let me draw a line at 930. So 930 is here, around here, right? 930, right there. So depending on when it opens up, where's it going to open up? So this was a gap from before. So I'm gonna get rid of this gap. This one I don't need because this one already worked already, right? So it opened up at no, not there, but close this out. So here we are right here. So what do? We wait till it opens up. So if it opens up below negative 1800, it should be bearish. If it opens up 1000, it might be ranging. If it opens up 1800, it's probably gonna be bullish, depending on what it is. So that's how I grabbed it. I grabbed that from there. But so tomorrow I'm gonna be looking at Nas, because that's all I've been trading is Nas and GJ. So I see how it goes. But you see, look at the indicators, man. It tells you what he. Look at this big sell off here, man. Look at that. This is 9:30. This is June. That's June 1st. It's 4 hours. My bad. Hold on. June 30th. Right here. See, right in here, as you see, is all sales here. June 30th, right in there. All sales. So, and this is how I'll be doing it, man. Now you know. It's no secret, man. It's all good. This is how it works. You know what I'm saying? That's how I try to do it. But the community, man, like I said, I belong to several communities. I will send that. Yeah, send me a message, Mike, for me to send that, man.
Okay.
I gotta remember because I'll be doing a lot of things, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll be forgetting stuff. You know what I'm saying? Anybody else? I'm about to jet, but I recorded this and I'll shoot it up to my YouTube channel, and then I'll send a link out to the groups. But anybody else? Anything else? Like I said, I choose 2 pairs, man. I know I have 10 here, 30. Let me share one more thing. I have a trade idea for Ethereum. If it breaks above this level here, I'm on the 5, right? 5. It's still kind of, but again, what's the overall trend? Right now is what? Is it down or up? It's kind of down, right? Anything that's going up is retracements, right? So, but if it breaks up here somewhere above 1300, it could probably go to this next fair value gap. See that? I got one here, one here. This is a big one here. So up near 15. So if you see crypto break above 1300, you might want to set a pending order up here someplace, and then take it up to this other level up here. But or get it up here and then take it back down because everything's selling. You know, the buy would be a retracement. But that's neither here or there. So anyway, I'm going to if anything else, I'm about to jet, do some stuff. But like I said, if anyone wants some trades, send me a message or something like that so I can show people, because it's good to see other people, you know, win trades. You know what I'm saying? Good to show that. So anyway, I'm going to, if there's nothing
Appreciate
else,
your time, brother. Thank you.
yeah, I'm gonna say peace, love, and hair grease, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
Hey, thanks, everybody.
Yeah,
Thank you, Jay.
yeah. And I'll send another link out to let people know what I'm want to be doing. And there's some other people that I probably need to get with also. So I'll hit y'all up also. But hopefully, you know, you gain some stuff from here, man.
Appreciate you, Jay.
Yeah. So I'll send again. I'll put the YouTube link in the channels, and I'll see you guys on the other side, brothers and sisters who is there.
Everybody be
Thanks, man.
safe. Stay safe.
All right, peace.